How to delete Cashapp account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you to how you can delete your Cashapp account or close your Cashapp account. Well, first things first, what you need to know is there is no any particular way that you can actually delete your account. Now there is an option. First you'll have to head into your Cashapp support, right? You want to open up your home page, and there you want to open up Cashapp on your mobile, and then on the home page you want to tap on your profile icon at the upper left corner, and then simply scroll down and select the cash support option. Then choose the option for something else, and then select the account settings, and then select close my account tab. You'll have to verify your account, your PIN and your identity, and once you do so it'll ask you through various prompts, and once you go through the prompts you'll be able to easily delete or close your Cashapp account after the verification is completed. So this way you can delete your Cashapp account or close your Cashapp account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.